Get ready for an exciting change coming in July 2023. With every new license of Solidworks Desktop CAD, your subscription will now include cloud services. This amazing update applies to both new and existing clients, providing you with even more value and capabilities at your fingertips. As part of Dassault Systems' ongoing transformation to a subscription model, they are making some important business model changes to keep up with the times. All new Solidworks Desktop Perpetual licenses will be sold with a minimum of 2 years of mandatory subscription, ensuring the continued delivery of quality products you've come to expect. And though there will be an uplift in price, it's just a fraction of the cost of the additional value you'll receive. Should the price point be out of reach of your budget for a perpetual license, we have you covered with various term license options ranging from 3 years to 3 months, which will include cloud services. Once you've completed the 2-year mandatory subscription period, you have the choice to renew your subscription, including cloud services, on a yearly basis. If you decide not to renew, you can still keep your Solidworks desktop license without cloud services. Now, you may be wondering what's included in cloud services. We are talking about the 3D Experience platform. With each new license, for each named user will have access to fantastic tools like 3D Swimmer, Collaborative Industry Innovator, and Collaborative Designer for Solidworks. These 3D Experience roles each comes with their own set of apps and includes functionality like automatic revision control, while your CAD data is securely stored on the cloud and you can seamlessly collaborate with your team while always working on the latest revisions. This applies to Solidworks Standard, Professional and Premium, as well as Solidworks Premium with simulation packages. For those of you already using 3D Experience Solidworks, there's no change in the business model. Existing clients on subscription can upgrade to Solidworks Plus Cloud Services, and you don't have to upgrade all your assets. You can choose any number of licenses to upgrade. Clients with existing licenses on active subscription can continue to renew without cloud services. In conclusion, these exciting changes in July 2023 bring even more value to your Solidworks desktop CAD experience. With the addition of cloud services, you'll have access to incredible tools and resources, empowering you to make the best product decisions for your business. Get ready to embrace the future of Solidworks and the power of the 3D Experience platform. Should you be in the market for a new Solidworks Perpetual desktop license between now and the 1st of July to take advantage of the lower price point before the changes, please reach out to us and we will get you up and running in no time.